Hey, I'm back. So, what if you don't like pumpkin pie? Then we have apple pie that I'm going to show you how to do. So I prepared a crust already with a braided edge. Don't have to be that fancy. And then I mixed together apple slices. So I'm going to make a rose apple pie. So it's 1/8 inch, about, give or take, thick apple slices, so you can bend them, and it's from 2 pounds of apples. And then 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and then 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, all mixed together. And I sat it aside for 30 minutes so it creates that juice. And I took the juice, dumped it into this pan just a couple minutes ago, and I'm gonna let it, once it comes to a simmer, I'm gonna let it simmer for 15 minutes. And there's also 2 tablespoons of butter in there, and that's gonna make kind of like a sauce. Then I'm gonna dump in later. But while that's going, we can get ahead and get started. I'm gonna tell you guys how to do this rose, but I'm not sure how well it's gonna work out because I could only find very small apples. So it's gonna be short. So it might turn into regular apple pie. But you want to start along the edge, and you're just going to take the rounded edge and put it near the top. And line it up. You're going to start on the outside and work your way around into the center, which is obviously going to take a while. So I'm not going to do it on this whole video. I just wanted to get it started to kind of tell you guys how to do it. But this crust is not pre-baked like that pumpkin pie was. Once I have all of this in here, I'm going to take half of this sauce and dump it back on top of the apples, and then take aluminum foil, cover the top of it so that way the apples themselves don't overcook, but you're going to poke some holes in it for it to be able to vent. And you're going to bake it at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. And then you're going to take the other half of the liquid and mix it with 3 tablespoons of apricot glaze and brush over top of the apples with that glaze, and then bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is browned and the apples look perfect. But that's it for that. And it turns out pretty good if you can get some larger apples and not organic tiny ones. But that's all that I have for you guys. Have a great day. Bye.